Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install 3Commas app on iPhone. If you're into crypto trading and want to automate strategies, the 3Commas app is a popular tool. It helps you manage trades, set bots and monitor your portfolio all from your iPhone. Installing it is a simple and only takes a few minutes. So first you need to unlock your iPhone and tap on the App Store on your device. Over here you need to tap on the search icon at the bottom and type down 3Commas and search for it, and you need to look for the official 3Commas app. Over here we can find there's an option for the 3Commas crypto trading. Over here check the logo and the developer name to avoid the fake apps and tap on the get beside it, and you need to authenticate using a Face ID, Touch ID or the Apple ID password as well, and you need to wait for the download to finish, and after installation you can sign up or log into your account. And that is it. This is how you can download and install 3Commas app on your iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you.